Hey everybody, Linda Bradley here from Princess House. I have some super exciting news. Now look, you know I've been in Princess House for a really long time and I get excited about a lot of things that Princess House offers, but right now I am more excited than I've been in, I couldn't even tell you how long. Princess House has given us the opportunity to let new people come in and start for just $25. Like, $25? Are you kidding me? I want to show you everything that you can get for being a consultant and explain to you why the company is doing this, all right? So first off, I want to show you the kit. There is a kit that you can get for starting the company. We have 3 different ways to start. Let me show you the kit first, and then I'm going to tell you everything, all right? You ready? So the kit has a lot of the popular items in it because they know that you need it to do your presentations. So I'm just going to show you real quick because you guys probably already know all of our products. So in the Fantasia Fresh, we have the 1 quart of the storage container, all right? In the Vitasana Produce Keepers, we have the medium size one. In the Vitasana also, we have the Dyson Chopper. Now they have a new one out with the new colors. This is the old one, but it's still the same thing. And it's an awesome piece that you'll love in your kitchen. It saves so much time, it's incredible. And it also has the cheese graters as well. Alrighty, it also comes with one of our silicone pieces, which this is our spatula, and our large knife that you can use, all right, to go ahead and demonstrate your products. It comes with the 2 cutting boards. These are the bamboo cutting boards, and they are the ones that have silicone on the edges so that they don't slide on your table. And then they even come with 2 of our popular stainless steel pieces. So this is the 10 quart saute pan. This is part of the stackable set. And in the Vitasana, these are the ones with this special little seal, right, that you can cook your foods with no added oils or added fats. This is the 2.5 quart. So this is the kit that you can get. This kit is valued at $600. But for new consultants, it's the best deal you got going because you can get it for just $199. Now let me tell you about the 3 different ways to start Princess House. Are you ready? Number 1, you can start with just $25. You probably have that in your wallet. And so what happens is when you start with $25, you're going to get immediate access to all of the digital equipment that we have, all of the electronic things. We have our website is free. You're going to have the catalog online. You're going to have the specials online. You're going to be able to start right away. All right, that's your $25. When you send in your first $750 to Princess House of orders, then they will ship you the kit, okay? So for the $25, you don't get the kit right away, but you get access to everything else. Or you can start with $75. If you put a $75 deposit down, then you still get all of the digital access like I told you about, and you will also get your kit. They will ship your kit to you, which includes catalogs and printed material, all right? The 3rd way to start is to pay the whole kit in full, which is $199, and you will get all of the digital materials, you'll get the actual kit, and the other advantage is you will get immediate availability to order samples, which are greatly discounted. So there's 3 different ways for you to join. Take your pick, $25, $75, or $199. But wait, because there's more. We have some fabulous specials going on right now for brand new consultants like you. So this is how that works. As a brand new consultant, when you send in your first $750 in orders, now listen, I'm going to help you with that, okay? I'm going to do everything I can. I've been around long enough. I can teach you all the little things that you need to know. You can be successful. When you send in your first $750 in orders in the next couple of weeks, you're going to get a gift from Princess House. Are you ready? Because it's the whole Fantasia Fresh collection, the 9.5 inch, the 8 inch, and the 6x8 inch. These are valued at $118.95, and you can get that free when you have a $750 order, all right? So you're already going to get $600 worth of products. Now you're going to get another $118.95, right? And your profit for that will be $187.50. Almost $200, right? But wait, there is more. Like I'm telling you, mind blown. Don't stop at $750, keep going and go to $1,500. Because when you submit $1,500 in orders, not only will you get the kit, not only will you get this, but you will also get the other two pieces that match the stackable set. So here it is right here. So the stackable set has, let me put my boards down. The stackable set has, this is the one that comes in your kit, your 10 inch, Then it has a 6 quart, and then it has a 4 quart. So you're gonna get the other two pieces, which are valued at $289 when you send in $1,500 in orders. And, because there's still more, it's crazy. And you will get an additional $262 of money. So in a 4-week time frame, you send in $1,500 to the company and you will earn all of this, all right? It's over $1,000 worth of products. If you send in $750, you'll receive the kit and you'll receive this set. If you send in $1,500, you'll also receive the stackables. That's $450 in cash, and what else? There's more. Oh, $1,000 in products. Now you may ask yourself, why is Princess House doing this? And hang on, because I still have 2 more things to show you. So here's the deal. I know that you guys know Princess House because you're my followers, right? There are so many people that do not know who Princess House is. It's amazing how many people have never heard of our company. And when they find out about our company, they're like, well, how come I didn't know about this? Our products are bar none. There's nobody that can beat us in quality, and people just fall in love. We need to tell more people. They don't know about us. So Princess House wants to get the word far. We want to let everybody know that we are alive and kicking. We've been in business for 58 years. We have the best products, the best programs, and the most passion. And so we need you guys to help us, all right? So $25 to start the business. It's incredible. Now listen, next week they're going to announce a new trip contest. You know that I've been really fortunate with Princess House. It's not that I haven't worked for it, but I've won 26 all-expense paid vacations. All that means to you is I know how to win these trips. I can help you win these trips. So if you start now, you're going to have the same possibility to earn the next trip. I'm going to tell you a really quick story. I started Princess House Actually, this was my anniversary of me sending in my very first show. February 23rd, I think, was the date I sent in my very first show. I started a month earlier. I sent in my shows. The trip contest started in April, which is exactly when it's going to start for us. And it was a 6-month contest, and it was to Hawaii. I was brand new in this company. Did I think I was going to win that trip? No. Did I win the trip? Yes. And so I went an all-expense paid trip to Hawaii. It was incredible. It was in my first 9 months of business. I could not believe that it happened. It was just amazing. So I'm telling you that it can happen to you. $25 is all you need. Look, you know you guys have been watching me. You know you love the products. You can do this, okay? Now, let me show you 2 other things because, as I said, we want to let a lot of people know about Princess House. So here's the deal. Let's say you come into Princess House, you start with your $25, you send in your $750, but you're so excited about it, you want a girlfriend to join you, all right? So this is what can happen. You bring in a girlfriend to join you with Princess House, right? She sends in her first $750 in orders in her first. You have 2 months for that to happen, and look what they're going to give you. Our electric tea kettle. This is $199.95. So when you bring a friend in, they're going to give you another item worth $200, right? But maybe you know 2 friends, right? Or maybe one of your hostesses. Here's the next one. You bring in another person. You have 2 months to do this, and you're going to get our double griddle. This is valued at $229.95. Do you see why I'm so excited? You can start this business for $25. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom, and your kids are driving you crazy. Maybe you had to leave the workforce because you didn't have childcare because of what's going on right now in the world. Maybe you work full-time and you need to have a little bit of fun. Maybe you have expenses coming up. Maybe you want to pay off a credit card or put your kids in private school or go on vacation whenever we're allowed to go or save for college or fix up your house or. I'm telling you that Princess House is a phenomenal company that helps you every step along the way. Now, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not going to happen like that. Do you have to work for it? Absolutely. Will I help you? Absolutely. Will you have fun? Absolutely. So I would love to have you join my team. You can go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/LBradley, and you can choose Start Your Business, and then you can sign up that way, and it'll give you the 3 ways: $25, $75, $199, whichever you want to do it. Or reach right out to me, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll be happy to walk you through the process. Don't miss this. Can you imagine starting a business for $25 and maybe, just maybe, earning a complete trip for 2, all expenses paid, in your first year of business, and making money while you're doing it and having fun? We need to spread the Princess House word. If this is not something that you think you can do, please share this on your page, because there's other people. There are people that are looking for us, and they just don't know it yet because they don't know who we are. We are the best party plan company around. I've been around long enough. I check out all the other companies. Nobody gives you what Princess House does for having a party. Nobody gives you what Princess House does for starting your business. Nobody gives you what Princess House does for being a manager. I am 100% Princess House all the way, for all the reasons. And the best part about it, if you had a job that you loved, you couldn't offer it to your friends, but I can. I want you to take my job. I want you to have the fun that I have, the excitement that I have. It's just a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. $25. Do you have 25 bucks? It's time to start Princess House. Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. Join now. Today. Come on, right now, go. Did you join yet?